Hi students, good morning. I am your science teacher. Welcome to science class. In 4th standard, you learnt about internal organs of our body. In 5th standard, we will study about different organ systems in our body and their functions. We need oxygen to survive. Our body gets oxygen through the process called respiration. We get energy for our daily activities from the food we eat. How is the food converted into energy? It is through the process called digestion. After we eat the food, waste products are removed from the body. The process involved in this is called excretion. These processes are carried out by different organs in our body. Different organs form the organ systems. An organ system is a group of organs that work together as a biological system to perform one or more functions. The human body is made of 11 important organ systems including the circulatory, respiratory, digestive, excretory, nervous and endocrine systems. In this lesson, we will learn about digestive system, respiratory system, circulatory system, excretory system and nervous system in our body and their functions. In this class, we learn about digestive system. The food we eat consists of complex compounds, carbohydrate, proteins and fats. What are the complex compounds? Carbohydrate, protein and fats. In digestion, the complex compounds have to be converted into simpler molecules. These simpler molecules are then absorbed by either by blood or by lymph in order to give us energy. Carbohydrates are converted to simple molecule of glucose. Proteins are converted to the simple molecule amino acids. Fats are converted to the simple molecules of fatty acids and glycerol. The process of conversion of complex food molecules into simpler molecules is called digestion. What is digestion? The process of conversion of complex food molecules into simpler molecules is called conversion. The digestive system can be divided into two parts. They are digestive tract and digestive glands. What are the two parts of digestive system? Digestive tract and digestive glands. Digestive tract. It is also known as alimentary canal. It is a coiled muscular tube extending from the mouth to the anus. It is about 6 to 9 meters long and consists of many specialized divisions. This digestive tract is arranged sequentially: mouth, buccal cavity, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum and anus. Digestive glands. There are three important digestive glands. They are salivary glands, pancreas and liver. What are the three digestive glands? Salivary glands, pancreas and liver. Salivary gland. It secretes saliva which moistens food. It contains enzymes. It breaks down complex starch into simple carbohydrate molecules. Three pairs of salivary glands are parotid, sublingual and submandibular gland secrete approximately 1.5 liter of saliva every day. Pancreas. It produces pancreatic juice which contains enzymes. These enzymes are digesting fats, proteins and carbohydrate. Liver. Liver produces bile for digestion of fat contains enzyme. The digestive glands, salivary gland secretes saliva, pancreas produces pancreatic juice and liver produces bile. Students, I hope you all understood the digestive system and their function. Thank you.